Vlogging again today with Joe and going to meet Marco, Robin and Henry. Gonna go do some jumps on bike or something like that. A rabbit's just run out of there. Crossing these train tracks.
This is where my life ends, guys. I can actually see it going as well.
I'm on this crap bike.
Approaching.
I'm on this crap bike to get to Michael's to pick up my other bike. Joe's on Malaki's bike.
New preview. It's not as good as the original 13 incline gamma, but I'm going to give it a test today, see its faults and its good parts. We'll start off by the looks. Nice matte colour. Forks, decent, but they're not quite RockShox. Big old tyres, wide handlebars.
This is the worst bike I've ever ridden. Nearly at Michael's now. We're back to our flat, so getting that sorted.
Luckily this man has a pump.
Got my bike back. Feels so much better than them other ones I've been riding. Especially Joe's.
Shut up.
Not that one, the one. Yeah, this is the best bike ever. On our way down to meet Robin, Henry and Marco now.
These wheelies, slow down, chick.
No. Big wheelie, Joe. Joe's gone in there to get a drink, and some man in a Ford Focus just backed up into a BMW, and the woman wasn't even bothered. There's a rabbit there.
Blind.
Blind rabbit.
Mixing potatoes.
Sat on Borcher Road outside Zini's, and we'll be waiting for them for like 10 minutes now. I don't even know what they're doing. They're meant to meet us here at Co-op. Shop here, it's good. Go to Zini's also, it's good.
I have no conception of the length. It's just up the road and we were riding for about 5 miles.
This car's literally just crashed into the back of here. Straight into the back of it.
Airbags out on the road.
You're not good at signal, like that.
I'm just going to pull off that road a little bit, alright?
You're not good at signal.
Yes, I was fucking signal.
That's his one.
No, he's dragging it off the road. Get tired there. Is he carrying on going? He said he was going to pull it off the road. Might be pulling it off at work. He's off. He's off. He's not getting far, is he?
He's gone.
Right guys, I'm here today. I've just seen a crash. I signalled. We're about to inform police. Shit's about to go down.
This guy's crashed airbag.
I'm not idiot. You're not.
No, it don't look like it, does it?
You're not good at signal.
Yes, I did signal.
No.
Don't give me that shit.
No.
Yes. I was signalling. Where did you come from?
I come from this way.
Yeah.
Same.
I didn't know. I heard like a bang, but I didn't know what it was. I couldn't even see that car.
What are your thoughts?
Batty.
This little guy didn't signal, I'm guessing.
I'm guessing he's a batty.
This car is mashed. Both airbags out.
Mate, Reg is there.
Look at all oil on the floor.
I know.
Shit, look at all that.
Boy, should we kick some of this plastic? Come on, round.
Get it off the road.
Shit, it's smoking.
This thing's smoking.
That's the airbag, you idiot.
Leave it here now.
Is anyone injured?
No,
Have we exchanged details?
not quite yet, no.
Right, we're doing that, are we?
Yeah,
We've just cleared the road, helped that guy put his car back. Oh! Back on the trailer. We are fucking boyos.
We had to carry,
Mind his language.
we all carried a 1 ton cart because we're inches full.
Nah, Robin's a gay boy as well.
At Harworth jumps. Doom, 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 doom. This is better than next up. We've nicked Marco's bike
He owes me £1.
and he's crying over there.
And he owes me £1. She said I won't be able to do it first time to jump. And I did. Wait, come on, we'll just take it back. We're gonna
No,
be
just
here
leave
all
it and
night.
make him come. Marco's crying.
Joe and Robin, you're mortally obese. Henry and
Henry and what?
Get on your bike, stop crying.
Get off your vlog, that.
You ate your leg too.
It was you, took it.
We've just been down to jumps and back and the police are still here.
I'm alright now. Just want to say thank you for everyone subscribing to Marco. Fuck. Yeah. Got that one chat, guys. So if cheese Joe from that watches, but adoption is a cure for that. Yeah.
That's why I get you getting in.
Joe, you was
They're still here, clearing up the road.
Oil. Oi, 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 oil on the road. Yeah, I just got crab. Yeah. No. Right. Yeah, it's just tightened up. Yeah, I can, it's fine. It's just like I don't really want cramp in my leg. Yeah. Yeah.
She thought you died. She thought you. She was just checking if he was all right.
Who are it?
Some woman.
What?
Marco was saying
I
it.
can't even.
Some woman checking if
Robin
she.
was saying it was his sister, that's why I rubbed.
No, I thought it was just.
Bye, Marco. Marco's leaving us now.
Bye.
We're
They
riding
all
home.
even me.
Robin's dad could fit us in, but Robin's lying.
Robin, see you later. Henry, see you later.
No, see you later, Henry. Robin, I don't want to see you again.
Yeah, message me when you get home, guys.
Oh, this is the
It's a go.
Is there any quicker ways?
We've got about 2 hours to ride now, me and Joe. And it's freezing cold. And it's going to be pitch black by the time we get there.
Me.
Yeah, he's got no jumper on.
And it's a thin top.
That crash car is still there. So is the police.
Come out.
Such a nice McLaren right here. Sitting on Borch Road, I think.
Shine your light on the same time. Whoa! Bentley in front.
Oh, yeah.
Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce.
2 Aston Martins, 3 Aston Martins. What is that? Chrome Aston Martin. Wait, Aston Martin in chrome.
That looks sick. On my vlog it's so much darker than it actually is in real life. Look.
Yeah.
Another Rolls Royce.
It's got chrome.
Pretty nice cars around here.
Got told to get out by some silly sixth former thinking he's rich with these cars in his restaurant and he's a waiter.
Another nice Mercedes right here.
Alright, can everyone just look at Zini's restaurant compared to the last one? Empty car park, empty restaurant. Last one had 2 Rolls Royces, 3 Aston Martins. There was nothing less than 100 grand in there.
Still recommend going Zini's, it's a very good restaurant.
No, it's not.
Gonna end the vlog now. See you tomorrow, stay G'd up.